I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the prerequisites in place. Install Windows Terminal now and pick your shell, PowerShell, CMD, or WSL. Once done, set the default profile so every new tab opens where you want. Next, install a patched font like Cascadia Code PL or a nerd font to get ligatures and icons. While that installs, open Settings. JSON, you will edit key entries directly. This speeds later steps and makes the visuals consistent across themes and prompts. Now dive into detailed appearance tweaks. Edit settings. JSON to add or modify a scheme, choose contrast, colors, and cursor colors so text pops. Then tune font size, line height, and padding to match your monitor and eyesight. Small changes dramatically improve clarity. Enable acrylic or background blur for a modern look. And if you like images, set background image with background image opacity so the prompt remains legible. Make sure to save and reload the app to see the full effect. Finish by polishing your shell. Install a prompt framework like Starship or OhMyPosh to show Git, status, and time attractively. Configure icons to match your nerd font. Then customize key bindings. Add split pane and new tab shortcuts so workflows feel immediate. Sync your settings. JSON across machines if needed. If things go wrong, first check the font name and profile GUID in settings. JSON, if characters look wrong, reset settings. JSON to defaults and reapply, changes step by step to find the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.